Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So as we started in Revit tutorial series for the architects and the civil engineer student, so we'll be continuing this series, and in this today episode we will be discussing about how you can place the tiles on any side of the wall as per your requirement, and how you can change the material and what are the different methods to place tiles. Let's say for example in this first wall we want to place tiles till like from the bottom to up to 4 feet or 5 feet as per your requirement. You want to place here the tile work, and rest one will be your paint finish. So how you can place tiles on this particular wall at a height of 4 feet to 5 feet from the bottom. So for that one method is there. You have to go to modify. Okay, from here there is an split option available here. So we'll be splitting the element, we'll be splitting this wall, particular wall, in this horizontal as a horizontal line. Okay, so we'll be simply clicking here. If you go to any of the edges, this horizontal line will be visible, which is showing at how many height from the bottom you are cutting. So you can see here in the left side corner 4 feet it is mentioning. Let's say we want to create a split between these two wall at 4 feet. So you will be simply clicking on that particular wall, and this two wall will be splitted into two different elements. Okay, now you can place here. One option is to place, you can simply go to modify, then you can create a paint material and you can apply that paint here. So first of all we have to create a tile material. So for that one we'll be simply going to manage material. Okay, then from here if there is any material is available you can use that one, otherwise you can create from here new. We'll be simply creating here create new material. Okay, we'll be renaming it as a, let's say, wall tiles. Simple. Then we have to go to in appearance either you can choose color or you can choose the images. Let's say we are choosing images in this case, so we'll be clicking here image. So Autodesk library will be open, or otherwise if you have downloaded from the net then you can choose from net also. But if you want to choose from the Autodesk library, for that one also you can go to your desktop, this PC. Then we are having a location, you can check here program files. Then you have to go to here Autodesk. After that, sorry, common files. You have to go to common files, then you have to go to Autodesk shared, then you will be going to material. Here you can see we are having materials. Okay, texture 2023, you can going to texture folder. Then here you will be finding all those type of images that are available from the Autodesk Revit versions. Okay, so you can simply search for the T tiles. Let's say this kind of tile if you want to apply, so you can simply click on this, open, so this will be loaded here. Okay, and in the shaded view also, here we are having a realistic view, shaded view. So in shaded view also we want the realistic, that is appearance color to be visible. So you can simply click on this, use render appearance for the shaded view also. Okay, so we'll be clicking apply. Okay, so wall tile we have created the material. Now we have to apply it as a paint on this surface of this particular splitted element. So we'll be going here in the paint. Okay, then we have to select that particular material, wall tile. Simply this one we have clicked. We will be choosing the surface on which we want to paint this material. So you can simply click, and that's how you can place the tiles or any kind of work or the images that you want to apply as a paint on a wall. You can choose that one. This is the first option. Next option, if you want to paste it as a decal. So if you go into insert tab, there is an option to insert decal. So decal are the same as images, but these images we have applied in the material, then we have applied it as a paint. But in case of decal, we will be directly applying to that image whatever we want on the wall as per your requirement. So you can simply go to decal, place decal here. Okay, first of all you have to create the decal. So for that one you have to choose this one, decal type. Okay, here if you go, you are having an option to create new decal. You will be clicking simply here wall decal, let's say wall decal tile. Okay, here you have to choose the image location. So we will be clicking whatever you can choose from here also, but I have downloaded from the net, so I am using that image. this image I have downloaded from the Chrome. I will be simply clicking open and this image will be there applied. Okay, here you can adjust the brightness, reflectivity, transparency as per your requirement. Okay, simply okay, you have to click. Now you have prepared the decal. Now you have to place decal. To place decal, you will be simply clicking on the place decal. Now you have to select from here. If you have created lots of decal, all options will be available. We will be selecting this wall decal type. I want to place on this particular wall face, so I can simply click here. Now you can adjust and drag it as per your requirement. Now if you want to change the height, let's say we want the height to be 4 feet and the length to be as per this wall. The length of this wall is right now 17 feet, so 17 feet by 4 feet we want this decal. So for that one you can adjust from here 4 feet. 4 feet. We need the height. First of all, unlock these properties, otherwise width and height will be calculated based on any one of the parameter. If you are changing, then automatically the next parameter will be updating as per the calculation. Okay, so you have to uncheck this lock properties. So height we need 4 feet and length we need 17 feet as per the wall. So you can click and mention from here. So now you can see decal is also placed as per our requirement. So this is how you can create with the help of paint tiles on any particular wall, and you can place tiles with the help of decal also. But in decal there will be one drawback, that this decal will not be creating a cutout here wherever you are having a window or door in between the wall as a obstruction. But in case of paint, it will be creating an opening here. It will be not overlaying the same paint finish over the door surface, but here it has, you can see those boundaries, it has overlaid those surfaces of decal over the windows. However, it is not clearly visible, so you can also go with this feature if you want to go. Okay, so you can check in the shaded view also. And in the realistic view, as you can see here, those realistic view, you will found the tiles as a clear options. Okay, so you can switch those shaded style graphic display option from your settings. Now let's move on to the another method. Another method we will be discussing, in which we will be creating again the material same as we have discussed in the first case, but in this time we'll be discussing some new features, that how you can show the particular lines between each tile. Okay, that we will be creating, how you can show the particular lines, and we will be simply using the color, not image this time. So let's say duplicate this material and asset. We will be renaming it as a wall tile, let's say 02. Here uncheck from the user render appearance. In the appearance I am giving here this time a color, not an image. Okay, so we'll be giving, let's say, somewhat bluish type color here. Okay, and also we need to remove this image. For that one, you will be simply clicking here and remove image. Then in the graphic also we will be going to apply the same color, this one that we have used. Here in the surface pattern, for the foreground we are going to use a pattern. Here you can see this pattern, you can select and you can add it, or we are also having a 250 mm pattern, that also you can use. Okay, this 250 mm square. Inside this we will be again mentioning 300 mm by 300 mm here. Okay, okay, so color that we have to use is black. Okay, apply. Okay, so this material we have created wall tiles, so we'll be going to again modify. We'll be going to paint option again. From here we will be searching for the wall tiles 2, and we will be selecting the face again where we wants to place. So you can see here, this is how you can place the tiles. So to check those pattern, you have to go to shaded type, and you can see here in the shaded, those pattern tiles will be available here, 300 by 300. So this is the third option. Now we'll be discussing about the fourth option, how you can create those tiles and you can show those edges in each view, so whether it is shaded or it is realistic, then how you can perform that one. So for that one I am creating again this, let me copy Let me create this wall again here. Okay, so we have created this wall, that is our 150 basic wall. Now for that one we have to create another wall with the 1 inch or the 10 to 15 thickness. If you require as per your requirement, you will be simply going to architecture. Again you will be clicking on the wall architecture. Now we have to create a curtain panels here. So for that one you will be clicking on exterior glazing. Okay, so you will be selecting the outer edges of this wall. Let's say here we want, so we will be selecting here till here. Okay, let me extend it up to the edges of wall. You can move it outside to align, or you can use the align command also. So we have placed right now the curtain wall glazing over here. Now we will be giving it as a wall tile material, and we will be adjusting those grids as per our requirement. So for that one you will be simply going here, edit type, and the grid spacing, how much you need, let's say 1 feet. So you can mention here 1 feet. In the horizontal direction also 1 feet. Fixed, apply. Okay, so this is how the grids will be adjusted as per your requirement. Now we have to give the color of tiles, or we have to replace this glass with the tiles image. So for that one you will be going here, you will be selecting any glass with the help of tab. Okay, here you will be going to edit type. Make sure if you are having this glass pin, then you have to make it unpin. Okay, we'll be going to edit type here. In the edit type you will be finding material parameter. Here you will be simply clicking on those three dots, and let's say we have already created wall tiles material, so we can search for those already. Let's say this wall tiles, and we'll be clicking OK here, apply. Okay, so all the that we have used glass, all those glass will be now having the blue color, and already they are having a grid because those curtain walls comes with curtain wall grid. So this pattern will be visible in the realistic view also and the shaded view also. But in the case of that we have discussed previously, the grid lines will be only visible because these are not the grid lines, these are the surface pattern. These are visible only in the shaded view, not in the realistic view. But in case of curtain wall, it will be visible in both the case. So this is how you can place the tiles as per your requirement. Now if you want to place the door, you can also place that easily, and for that one we have to adjust those curtain wall that we have created. We have to split, okay, in two parts, in three parts as per our requirement. So you can adjust the height. Let's say if you don't want the curtain panel height to be up to here, you can adjust the height as per your requirement. Okay, you can also control those parameters from here also. If you want the height to be 4 feet, then you can you can mention here 4 feet. Let's say we want the 4 feet here only. If you want till up to door, you can mention. Then again you can mirror it, and again you can create it here also. So these are the 4 different methods with the help of which you can create the tiles on a particular wall. So don't forget to mention in the comment section which method helps you most, and if you are having a new method also, don't forget to mention. So I will be creating a video on that particular method also. So thank you guys for this watching.